Hi. Have you ever been in a meeting where you received information on a sheet of paper and you were wondering if there was an easier way to get it into Excel? Well, there is. If you have Excel for mobile, you can actually take a picture of a sheet and it will be captured directly into Excel. I'd like to show you how to do that. You can download Excel for mobile from your App Store. It's available for free with a Microsoft 365 license. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Stay tuned for more.